Here's a quick list of the things I've been taking in the morning to help me detox a little bit. Maybe you drink a little too much, so there's a few added in there. Take those all down, and hopefully they can help you too. This is the start of my morning smoothie. You're gonna add orange juice to start. You're gonna follow that up with some greens. You can get this on Amazon. It's like concentrated greens. It's for your joints, joint support, along with some collagen. The greens will help you decrease your inflammation in your body. The joint support obviously helps build your cartilage. I add a little protein powder in the mix. Put a little milk on top of that just to give it a little bit of a creamy taste. We use frozen fruit. That'll give it more of an icy blended taste, and with the orange juice, this just tastes amazing. I add in a little olive oil to increase my calories, and to also it helps keep your blades clean. If you have a blender, like I highly recommend the Ninja. I have like 3 of these things, and they're pretty awesome. I take them with me on trips, and it really just takes just a couple of seconds. Pour it in there, and you've got your cold drink for the day. I make these quite often. It tastes amazing. I just like them for the taste, to be honest, but it's packed full of good stuff for your body. There's my allergy pill. The next drink I'm going to show you is my hot drink, and sometimes I'll even do this if I just want to not drink as much coffee, but I also do this because it's a good detox, and it's good for your skin. It's good for your glow. This is just another example of how quick and easy it is to clean if you add that little bit of olive in there, olive oil. Keeps your blades nice and sharp. It makes for a really simple, easy cleanup. So that shows you how fast and easy it is to clean a Ninja. Just make sure you do it right away. Next, we're going to add that little bit of water into the kettle and let that heat up. I don't add all the water for my cup. I do about 3/4, usually because the water ends up being way too hot for me to drink. So I'll add in the other 2 ingredients, which is lemon juice and Mama's apple cider vinegar. This just comes with a laundry list of health benefits. So this is a great morning drink if you can drink it. I mean, it's grown on me. I really like the taste. So with the water boiling, I add that to that little bit of cold water that I added in, and along with my ingredients, and it usually comes out to a nice temperature that I can handle, and it's pretty much ready to go. So you've got your hot, you've got your cold, and yeah, this is just one of my morning routines that I'm passing along to you if you'd like to give it a try. So enjoy the benefits of beautiful skin and healthy lifestyle.